Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Nongïalam jong kasnong Riangsih, kawai na kisnong kabahab apo Motion Road Civil Subdivision, West Khasis District. Hak apnu ter ujaliu aja apun Riau. Leit banyak Kynduh ya ka Deputy Commissioner jong ka West Khasis District ka Himan Nayak. Banyak keren halor ka Jingmi ka Kyrteng Porlakait. Haka Weighbridge ka badan hasurok Riangdu Athiabari. Haka jinglet ya Kynduh ya ka DC dalam khamat da usarda jong kasnong Riangsih uba bantai pat hujan. Nakaliang jong ka DC ru kalakular ban simkhia. Banyak keren bat kibor badi kimi haka ni kam. Nakabenta ban penbet mardor. Kuman cipentep hang ni bahaka absanter ujaliu aja pun Riau nakaliang jong kasnong lalet ban Khang Shipor ya ka Weighbridge tak hadu on dalam pengkala ya ka Kyrteng Porlakait cara Kyrteng Riangsih.
Ngi kasnong Riangsih ka bangila Khang ya ketiga Weighbridge ke balat Porlakait dengan nakaliang jong ikut dalbasnong ni kuat ba ketiga Porlakait Kynduh no tanwan ka Kyrteng jong ka Riangsih de nakaliang jong ka DC kala koloi ban simkhia ya ketiga benta ban saya penbaik ka department de sebentar nakaliang ka snong ka tahu jong ni kemud ba ngim ailat nang nesya khmat ba kalong kuno ba ngim ailat ba ong ba kamdon biang ka Kyrteng Porlakait namar kane ka Porlakait kamdon hapo ka west ka sihil hibaro ka way ba ka Kyrteng jong kane ka Porlakait te kane Porlakait tip la INC da mano tengi kum ka dor barsnong ni persya jure kane hadu ba i kumbai DC ila kular yang i ka dor barsnong ban simkhia ya lor kane ka benta.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.